gonna talk about the Punnet Square. So Punnet Square, it is a visual grid in genetics that used to map or used to determine the possible combination of alleles from each of the parents' gametes using a square boxes. So in Punnet Square, there are two types. The first one is the monohybrid and the second one is the dihybrid. So monohybrid, it used 2 by 2 square boxes, and from the word itself, mono, it cross parents whose differ in one trait only, since mono and dihybrid, two traits, and it used 4 by 4 square of boxes. We're gonna have examples for monohybrid and dihybrid. So we're gonna cross a parent who has one different trait, which is the height. Capital T for tall, smaller t for short. So, homo-dominant, cross mo siya sa homo-recessive. Capital T, smaller t, heterozygous dominant. Capital T, smaller t, heterozygous dominant. Capital T, and small letter t, heterozygous dominant. Capital T, small letter t, heterozygous dominant. So, yung genotype is 100% heterozygous dominant, which is ang phenotype niya since 100% po siya. But tall, since na ay capital letter T for tall. And here in the dihybrid, mag-cross-tag parent who has two different traits, which is the height and the skin color. So same gapon, capital T for tall, small letter t for short, capital W for white, small w for brown. Here, mag-cross-tag, and we're gonna use FOIL method. So TW, capital T, capital W, same. Okay, all capital man siya, homo-dominant. Here, the height has an heterozygous dominant. So, i-fold na siya. Capital T, capital W, capital T, capital W, small letter T, big letter W, small letter T, big letter W. Here, we have here the homozygous. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. T, T, W, W. T, T, W, W. T, T, W, W. But here, abot na rin na heterozygous siya diri. So, may mo na siya, heterozygous dominant. Then, homozygous dominant. So, here sa genotype natin 8/16 since ang dihybrid mag-use of 4 by 4, which is 16 nga boxes. So, 8/16 ang homozygous dominant. 8/16 ang heterozygous dominant nga height, but homozygous nga skin color. But overall, sing phenotype 100% tall and white gap na siya since ang height niya nay capital or nay dominant.